So if you happen to have one of these Coleman Saluspas, one of the most common errors you're ever going to get on your spa is going to be one of these right here. You're going to hear the beeping sound. It's a little hard to see right here because of the way the light works, but it's EO2 error message. You're going to immediately know you're having it because you're going to hear this beeping sound. So if you ever have this error, it's literally just a water flow problem. What it is, it's not detecting any flow of the water going into the pump. So the very first way to fix this problem is to open up your spa, take the filter off, and clean it out. So let's go ahead and do that and see if it fixes the problem. All right, so now we got all the straps off of here. Let's open up the spa. And here are your kids making dinosaur noises in the background. So very simple, we take off the filter, drain the water out of there, and then we open it up. And I can see right here, I can definitely tell the filter is pretty dirty. So now what I can do is you can take a hose, go to your sink, and rinse it out. So we're going to do that right now, and then we're going to plug it back in, and hopefully we no longer have the error message. All right, so we're going to take my hose, and we're just going to start spraying this off. You want to get in between all the little filter parts. Start rotating around. All right, so you can already tell right now the filter is already starting to look a lot cleaner. You can see it's definitely a lot white compared to the other side. You see the hairs and just all the extra debris inside the filter. So we're going to keep going around and get this thing cleaned up. If you ever open it up and find it's just really bad, you can also just order replacements one of these on Amazon. They're really not that expensive, and usually they come in packs of 2 to 4 of them. Now, so the actual packaging itself recommends you actually clean this thing out. I think it even said almost every single day, which, I mean, I don't know anybody that would actually spend the time and effort to clean this thing out every single day. But, you know, maybe once a week would be a really good idea. I mean, obviously, it's best to follow the directions, but I don't think I would ever do that. All right, so we got the whole outside, all the debris is gone, so we're still gonna go on the inside. Might not be able to see very well in the video, but you can definitely tell it's pretty gunky on the inside. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it on the inside as well. All right, so now it looks like we got everything pretty well cleaned out. You can see there's really no debris left in the filter. So let's come back over here and get everything set back up. So there's a little debris there, so let's just shake that out, put that on there. I like how easy it is just to take this whole thing apart, put it back together. You can even do it one-handed. All right, so we're going to come back over here and get that plugged back in. Just some twists, and it should be able to lock right back on in. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to reset. Let's go right here. We're going to go ahead and start her back up and get the filtration going. So I can already see the water flow is going through it pretty well. We'll come back in about 5 minutes just to make sure it doesn't get clogged up again. Now here's one thing that I've noticed. Sometimes I've done it where I've cleaned these things out, you know, even go through the one where it's like the water coming out, and we're still getting the same error message. So on occasion, you would actually have to completely remove the entire pump mechanism from the spa. And then when you do it is, make sure you put the caps in here so all the water doesn't flow out of here onto the ground. But you can then take this off, stick your garden hose right up the ends here, and blast water right through here. In case somehow any debris or algae or anything is growing up on inside here, you can use your hose, push all the water out. I've done that many times in the past, and it's always cleared up the problem. So you might want to give that a try. So we'll come back in 5 minutes and make sure this thing is working properly. All right, we're back after a couple minutes. Everything seems to be working well. Water is still flowing through here. We're getting good filtration. So it looks like it worked. So if you found this video to be useful, please don't forget to give us a good thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and check out all of our other videos that talk about these Coleman spas. They're also known as BestWay Spas, Saluspa Spas. They're literally all the same. They just have different branding on them. So check those out. Thank you. Bye.